Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Nielsen and I'm part of Moonbeam's DevRel team. We are thrilled to be returning for our third year of sponsoring EthDenver. Moonbeam is a platform for cross-chain connected contracts. It's an Ethereum-compatible smart contract platform that's connected via general message passing to a huge number of different blockchains. This means that you can access features, users, and assets on any given chain. So rather than bridging from chain to chain in a disconnected fashion, you can interact with a single dApp on Moonbeam that's taking actions on multiple chains under the hood. As a dApp developer, this means that you can present to your users a powerful and seamless cross-chain experience that hides complexity from the end user. In the spirit of cross-chain, we've got an awesome open-ended bounty that we're funding with $10,000 in prizes. You can find all of the details on the Bidilathon platform or on the EthDenver website. But the TLDR is take any open source dApp and make it cross-chain with Moonbeam. This can be any new or existing single chain dApp that's open source. You do not need to be the original creator of the dApp. However, if you've already built a dApp for EthDenver, by all means, make it cross-chain and submit it to the EthDenver Moonbeam Bounty. General message passing, or GMP, is the key that enables you to build a cross-chain dApp. Moonbeam is integrated with Axelar, Hyperlane, Layer 0, Wormhole, and of course, Polkadot's native XCM, so you have a ton of different options. To send a cross-chain message, all you need to do is specify the destination chain, the contract address, and the action that you'd like to take. It's really that simple. Moonbeam, or the Moonbase Alpha testnet, can be either the chain sending the message or receiving the message. This means that the action can be dispatched from Moonbeam or from a remote chain taking place on Moonbeam ultimately. I want to leave you with a couple more specifics to point you in the right direction. We've got an extensive docs site at docs.moonbeam.network. We've also got a hacker's resource kit putting just about every link that you need into one place so that you can get started building quickly. To sum it all up, Moonbeam's Bounty is about building cross-chain. Take any dApp and make it cross-chain with Moonbeam. Thank you so much, and we can't wait to see what you build.